What's up guys? Hello, my name is Remy and I haven't done any videos lately because I'm bored making videos and you guys don't support me, but I'm not gonna complain about it. But this is the video. I'm gonna attempt to do the 3M fidget spinner challenge. Alright? As you can see now, let me Google the time. Couldn't Google the time. Okay. Time. Right now it's 3:29 a.m. and I'm gonna attempt to do the fidget spinner 3M challenge that all the YouTubers are doing. Okay, so yeah, let's do this. I'm gonna spin a fidget spinner. Look, nothing is happening when I'm spinning the fidget spinner. Like so. See, nothing has happened. I'm spinning the fidget spinner. Alright. It was another time. Nothing. Times the charm. Nothing, my lights didn't flicker or anything. So guys, it's a joke. It's clickbait, alright. So peace guys, see you tomorrow.